wabusefie fo no yakobu buntugu muni ni mo se adan na kwa me kuma penso na si ye wabusefie utu kwan ukọ change wabusefie kala ukọ decorate wabusefie mapopo adama na akufa no kobungu na mo sana kasa na Addo wabusefie. What kind of nonsense is this? Ghana for ni chimimla bi anche chire yai do be ton dia okwamu ton do be niagu kwamu niagu do be tunu makuko tamu togu do adi ko to ba kuni nua do be twisi tabi twani nua emra bi anche chire Ghana for mutia no ma attack only one person Akufo what kumase Akufo what man probi Akufo what second what man obi. What kind of nonsense is this? We be perfect man, we be try. And Akufo this government is not helping Ghana. What potam? What potam ababa no obo Ghana? Any saba oni ku Ghana for. Twama ba ona Ghana ni omokro no. Tell the parliamentarians to face those nonsense. They are disappointed to Ghana. And you people are still voting for them as your MP, as your DC, as your honorable. Nonsense. Attack your DCs. Attack your assembly members. They don't know how to develop a town. Siafu mo sam kade. Kwasiabi na di moto abo me mame. Kwasiabi di moto abo me mame. Ghana mre nya tuma. Ekoma no mo di moto ba obi a. And that's how the car ba obi a. You can't move your car. You must wait for the mobile alarm. Wait no. Accident is here. You can't move your car. You must wait for the traffic department to come and check what happened to the scene. What to cause to chirisa? Mo Kenya se sabu check Ghana for ya MPs ni ministers in the good parliament ono. We are disappointed to Ghana, especially NDC, especially MPP. They are disappointed to Ghana. That is why I give my respect to Kenya Japan. That's why I love Kenya Japan as a hero. If you people can come out and insult Japan, nonsense. Freedom fighters, more chimmy. Mr. Ushenya Sanamu Kenya Sasam. Na me says about to be some quite a so. Message I'm delivering a short message. Someone Yansa David. So what's so many answers some making? No one can answer some now Chimisa David. Why not Chimino? I will German one. Pasia Uchiadaka. Pasia Payu Uchiadaka Uchimisa. Monka Ghana Sam, more attacking both MPP and DC in parliament. Lamunya Sabugu Nana Addo as a president of Ufi. Who could Nana Addo Ufi? No Biaba no better free education. Who could Nana Addo Ufi? No Biaba no better sign contract. Now Ghana got chair judgment debt. Now we chim into the social media. No, I say, oh my guys are being. Judgment that in a Ghana Cochiano, a parliamentarians in a sign, nonsense. Let me speak to wisdom people to listen to wisdom. Rather nonsense people who come and write nonsense. Because you're for the champ, because you're for the thing as a sam. Other Ghana, what do be our politics? No, Mama Ghana say. Yet, you wanna Kokona the temple, baby, I say, Korubia Koso. Journalists bakupo timi expose the cost of Ghana. And so Ghana from Penasa Yentiero. Kwasa fomu ko tie Jonas. Jonas wa kwa America nyawo. David one ko Germany nyawo. And I follow David. Mu na mu ni wisdom. Mu ni wisdom. Etinu asa mu follow. Na mo chari papa pa de go. Me ti ami ko follow Kenya Japan. Me ko follow afia odo. Because say the pan I didn't in a pan and the power of Cotiadi. I didn't in a pan and the fair politics. I have a pedia and the opinion. When you say no, Tracy Bachengabi. When you say no, Miss Banyabi. When you say no, MPP so and a comobi. Ye Mama ye, and I saw Mama to talk that mom. And Jonathan Pebby. Ni ye dear near Wretched a few that doesn't speak wisdom. Nonsense. What is the meaning of this country? We know that we Ghanaians need the law. There is no law working for us in the country. There must be a law working against Ghanaians. There must be a law working against foreigners. There must be a law working against all government workers, all government appointees. There's no law. The law is there, but our parliament is not using the law to work. Our lawyers is not using the law to work. Everything in Ghana is money. Whom you know, what kind of nonsense? And you don't tell your parliamentarian to face it. Rather, insulting a Kufuor. Some would try abrocheche, and you come a bush of fear. And for a day, one can't tell another to be a bush of fear. You're too quiet to me. Then you understand it. Now, over Joseph face the law, face the law. No, you could boo one and a fear for now. What's my party be another propaganda? It's your Kufuor president. That is why Kufuor doesn't respond to you guys. I'm telling you the reason why Kufuor don't respond to face the country. Because some people want him to respond to you guys. At the end of the day, they are going to use it to against him. For you to vote against him. We see and it happens. Ya wuri na si me brother Sami me chiawo ya wuri Frank Efa me chiawo Castle Van Dam all the way me chiawo ya wuri ya beto banana so say motorbike ya di dia wudo na Ghana for kwasefo Ghana for e pokro no abo Ghana for e pa oman koso abegina say no. We are not going to vote for MPP. We will show you power. We will show you power. That is the problem for Ghana politics. So they can talk. And we as citizens can stand for Ghana to arise. And we are doing nonsense on social media. We are doing nonsense. We rather educate our brothers and sisters, our mothers. We are doing nonsense. MPP 4% by Yomuti, NDC for the propaganda, NDC 4% by Yomuti, MPP for the propaganda, and the Dimotobo Chrono. You'll be a tomoto, no lances, no law protecting Ghanaians mothers, protecting Ghanaians youth, no law protecting police, no law protecting you as citizen. So police do whatever they want, citizens do whatever they want. Which kind of country we are living? You follow face the country. We confess the law. We confess the law, parliamentarians. I will never blame a Kufuor because a Kufuor is the best president. Unless you are sleeping. Unless you are sleeping, then you don't know who is the best president for Ghana. Who come Ghana, who catch him, and can't say Kufuor in Yabana. When Kufuor will become the president? Kufuor will become president, which is 2016. Tell me if I'm lying. And Jamuji Chachirano, all Fiano was saying, how many years did Jamuji Chachirano? How many years? And are those kind of pictures you guys are showing to us in terms of road, in terms of quality, poor building, poor facilities, poor environment. How many times did you see in Ghana? This is a common sense. I'm asking you, I'm not here to against any freedom fighter, but I'm here to ask you, common sense. You bet Chimisa and a freedom fighter, no go for about now another opposition party will get the opportunity to come and rule Ghana. Then the same thing is happening. The same problem is happening. You will not come out and talk again. I will come out and talk. But you will follow me the way you follow Jonas. I don't care. I'm not here for your view. I'm here for wisdom people to listen to wisdom. The year for man, a year for man more as I want 2002, 2008. And you people are disappointed to us. Say, you better you say Ghana bread. A good father can raise Ghana to change Ghana system. To change anything, then you people are talking against him. I'm not here for Kufuor. I'm not here for Chomama do his best. Now Chomama give a contract to Ghanaian, to the same citizen of Ghana to do Kajetia. Kajetia we only see paint. Then they ensure they uniform Kajetia. Why are you freedom fighters? Then stupid person, you call yourself freedom fighter. You come here and tell me, say, Nana Kufuor is in power. So Kufuor, see Kumasi, there is too many water. And everywhere there is water. The water is chasing Kumasi people away. because you don't speak wisdom.